Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? Today we're diving into the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution to never losing anything important again. These tiny, powerful Bluetooth trackers from Apple are designed to bring incredible peace of mind, making them one of the best electronics you can buy in 2025. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision-finding feature, leveraging ultra-wideband technology to guide you right to your lost item with exact distance and direction on your iPhone. Imagine not just knowing something is nearby, but seeing an arrow pointing you directly to it. That's the magic of AirTag, especially helpful for those tricky couch cushion searches. Getting started is unbelievably simple with its one-tap setup. Just hold an AirTag near your iPhone and you're connected, ready to track within seconds. And don't worry about accidental spills or splashes, because these trackers are built tough with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, perfect for adventurers and busy families alike. If you're looking for the best Apple tracker to safeguard your valuables, an AirTag 4-pack offers incredible value. You can find the best deal on this amazing gadget through the link in the description below. Unlike other generic trackers, the seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, combined with the vast Find My network, provides unmatched security and tracking capabilities worldwide. For anyone serious about keeping track of their essential items, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-have investment for convenience and peace of mind. Don't wait until something important goes missing. Click that Amazon link now and secure your AirTags today.